Hello, dear students. I, Dr. Preeti Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, welcome you all in the class of Sales and Distribution Management. This is your specialization, marketing specialization in MBA third semester, second year. And today I'm going to give you subject overview as we are going to start our new session for July to December 2020. So let's see what we have in this session. I have prerequisites of this course or subject, then subject overview, subject description, subject objectives, student effective learning outcomes, that is SELO. You must be familiar with this term now. Marking scheme, then research scope, and some reading material. Okay, so prerequisites of this subject is you should know about principle of management, that is basic fundamental principles of management, which includes various functions of management like planning, controlling, staffing, likewise. And you should aware of the psychology, because you have to understand the psychology of customer, as well as you have to understand the psychology of your team members, so that you can work with them effectively. And then strategy management, because we have to use various strategic tools to convert our sale into the profitable outcomes, so that you can have the strategy management knowledge. And then sociology, we have to understand the culture and trend and pattern of the society, so that accordingly you can serve to the customer. And the last thing is supply chain management, in which because this subject name is sales and distribution, so there is a linkage between sale and distribution. That's why for a more understanding of distribution management, you should know about supply chain management. So these are the prerequisites of this subject, sales and distribution management. Next, I'll give you the overview of the subject, because it's just like a company that does not quickly capture and understand change in the marketplace will normally witness a sharp decline in sales and profitability. It's like, if you're not understanding what the change is going on in the market and the pattern of purchasing of the customer, you you may face the failure, you may face the declining slope of your sales and profitability. So that's why company sales team and channel partners have a larger role to play in fulfilling organizational objective. What organizational objective we have, that is obviously to earn profit, but it is also about the satisfaction of customer and to capture the maximum market share, so that the maximum customer you have. So if some change is there, or some trend is there in the market, so in that case your sales team and your channel partner, that is your distribution chain, will help you in the fulfillment of your objective, that is the maximum profit and the maximum satisfaction of customer. In the modern era, sales and distribution function is very much important, and the role of sales and distribution function is very vital in the today's scenario, because it actively both like sales and distribution team both actively participate in the solving the customer problem and building relationship with the customer, because they came in the direct contact of the customer. What is sales? Sales refer to the exchange of goods and commodity against the money or service. and distribution is the process of making a product or service available to the end user for the purpose of consumption. So these two are very much important because it converts all the efforts of marketer into the final outcome. Because if you are designing a product, if you know the need of your customer, if you're designing a product, you're segmenting, you are targeting, you are positioning your product, you're doing everything. But if it is not reaching to the right customer on right time at right place, then it doesn't have any mean. So that's why salespersons and distribution partner or distribution channels are very much important. So that's why this subject is all about sales and distribution management. Then the subject description. This subject will be divided in 4 units. First unit will cover the basics of sales management and some goal setting strategies. In the next unit, that is second unit, it will focus on the management of sales force, so that their recruitment, selection, territory management, and the motivation of the sales force. So how to tackle a sales force is all about uh, is tell you about in the second unit. Then in third unit, uh, we will introduce you the distribution channel. It's this topic is already we have given like introduction in marketing second semester, but now you will understand it in more deeper sense, because in marketing second semester it was a little bit introduction about distribution channel as the 4P of marketing. So here again you will understand the importance of distribution channel. Then the last unit, that is fourth unit, will be end up with the channel management issues, like some conflict management with the distributor and these kind of things. As I told you, we will go in some deeper side of this topic. So these were the 4 unit description of your subject, and the aim of this to the give the better understanding and knowledge about the sales and distribution linkage. Then the next is subject objective. So subject objective is that students should understand sales and distribution function as integral part of marketing function, and in globalization and in the higher competition and the rapid change in the communication and information technology, and the need for higher level of customer orientation, uh, is made sales and distribution management extremely important. So again, it's because they are into the field, they are interacting with the customer, and they are able to see things on practical ground. That's why the role of salesperson and the channel partner is very much important these days. uh, this subject will make a student appreciate the role of sales manager in the context of Indian economy, with particular reference to essential consumer and industrial goods and service. So obviously, if student understand that how much important role they are playing in the whole economy, so they will definitely appreciate the role of sales manager and distributor partners. So the SELO, that is student effective learning outcomes of this course, will be they will able to understand role and responsibility of sales manager then they able to manage and enhance the sales force productivity and performance, so they understand how to do this, and they will be able to plan and implement an effective sales strategy for their organization, because you all are future managers, and they will be able to design and implement distribution channel strategy as well, how they can distribute or supply to the more and more customers in the limited resources or in effective manner, and manage the channel efficiency and effectiveness, wholesaling and retailing, various like level of channels, so they will understand the effectiveness and efficiency of the different channels, so that they can use it accordingly. Now the marking scheme is, you have total 100 marks, and then internal 30 marks and external 70 marks. And for internal, there is bifurcation of 20 marks, that is you will gain from your midterms, and 10 marks from your class participation, and 70 marks you have to earn in your end term examination. After that, we will discuss research scope of sales and distribution. It has a greater scope in research because it, as the part of marketing management, they have to understand customer, and marketing is related with need and satisfaction of customer. So obviously the customer is very dynamic in nature, and their taste and preferences change every day, and market change every day, so research is the only way to understand the behavior and market pattern, trend, everything. So research can be done for sales forecasting, market forecasting, human behavior, and many more things, which help salespersons to serve more efficiently. So that's why research is very much important for the salesperson, and that's why the scope of research in this field is very vast. This is the reading material, suggestive reading material, which will help you in the more understanding and deeper understanding of the concepts. So thank you so much. Soon we will meet in the class, and hope you will enjoy this course, and you will understand more the concept of this subject. Thank you.